Hello, ladies. My name is Carolyn Craig, and I am your consultant for this party. And today I want to show you how to put on your Jamberry nail wraps. So I have my little heater here. This guy is awesome. It's about the size of a cell phone, but a little thicker. It's nice and quiet. You'll get to kind of hear when I start doing this. So I have my heater, and another one of my absolute favorite things that we have is our deluxe toolkit. You can see all the goodies on here, but yeah, so this is one of my favorite things, our deluxe toolkit. I'm going to grab my scissors, and my cuticles are already pushed back. I'm going to do a little demonstration on my pointer finger for you guys. So I have my sheet here. This is what it looks like. I've already used these two, as you can tell, already on my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how our wraps work. Our wraps are made from vinyl. They're not made from polish, so you're not going to have to worry about it expiring or drying or anything like that. They will last forever. So I just take off my wrap. You can see I'm only touching it on the flat side. I'm not going to touch it on the rounded side because that's going to go to my nail, and I want to make sure that that stays nice and clean. So I'm just going to move this into the screen a little bit. Just going to warm it until it starts to get a little floppy. You can kind of see it gets soft. And then I'm just going to butt it up to my cuticle, right like that. And I'm going to show you the 1, 2, 3 method. It's an easy way to remember it. So swipe down the center, that's 1. And then heat it again if it needs to be soft. Swipe down the side, that's 2. And then the other side, that's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Swipe down the center, side, side. And that will give you a really nice seal on your wraps. I also like to give the tip a little tug just to make sure it's nice and sealed. So again, down the center and then side to side, 1, 2, 3. That'll give you a really good seal. Heat and pressure is what bonds it to your nail. So you want to make sure that you use some nice pressure. Then I'm going to take my scissors and just trim it. It's easier to file without all that excess hanging off the tip. So then I'll let that kind of cool for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and do my next pointer finger just to kind of show you. So again, only touching it on the flat side. Heat for just a few seconds until you see it get soft. Butt it up to your cuticle just like that. Down the center is 1. Heat it again if it needs to be soft. Down the side is 2, and down the opposite side is 3. 1, 2, 3. And then give the tip a little tug, just like that. Make sure it's nice and sealed. And then grab your scissors and trim it, just like that. And the last step is filing. You can use your blow dryer to apply wraps if you want to. However, you'll notice it can be a little loud and a little more difficult. The mini heater definitely makes the process easier, but you can use your blow dryer, excuse me. One tip that I do have though is make sure your blow dryer is not a newer blow dryer. If it's an ionic blow dryer, then it's meant to dry your hair, not heat your hair, and it might not get hot enough to warm the wrap. You really want the adhesive nice and soft. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm out of the screen. So again, just file until you see that excess roll away, and that's what you'll have. These vinyl wraps will last up to 2 weeks on your fingers and up to 6 weeks on your toes. And once they're on, I can go wash dishes. I can change a baby's diaper if I need to. No worry about dry time or chipping or anything like that. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found that helpful.